some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember days on the back of the school bus, making up us, wanted to grow up, but now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple. Now they're all memories. Honestly, I can't believe 2000 babies aren't the babies anymore.
Good Sunday morning. I'm getting ready to go to church. And then after church, I gotta pick up groceries. It's probably gonna be a little bit of a chill day with a little bit of like resetting before work tomorrow. I'm still trying to get used to this schedule because obviously had more time off with the weekends than just Saturday, Sunday. So we're getting there. But let's get to church before it gets too late.
I'm getting older, but who's really keeping score?
All right, just picked up my groceries. Church ran over. It was a good church service, but a bit emotional today. If you think about it, just pray for my family. We really need it right now, and there's a lot going on. So, I'm going to head home and put away my very small grocery haul today and probably make something for lunch. Not quite sure what I'll have yet, but we'll see. I will check in with you when we get home and put groceries away.
It's all a numbers game, 'cause I still feel the same. The only thing that's changed is that
Picked up some Firehouse subs on my way home for lunch. So I'm gonna eat this. Riley's got his busy bone.
lived a few extra days. I know that it's just time passing me by. Fine, can't help but wish I could still be childish. 'Cause now life's got me so stressed. Just wanna play on my DS. No way of knowing what comes next. Just wanna be childish. I'm still learning how to live as an adult person. Little me putting on.
All right, you guys. I'm sorry. Today's been really rough. I'm gonna fold these towels and put this away. I'm probably gonna start another movie and potentially the rest of the stuff that needs to go with dinner because my power has gone out a second time today. And it sounds like a transformer keeps blowing across the street from my house. I don't know if Duke's gonna come take care of that, but I'm kind of getting nervous that the power could go out and stay out. So I kind of want to get the dinner stuff made. Although I don't know if it really matters because I probably wouldn't be able to reheat it anyway. So, but anyway, yeah. And I meant to preface the vlog by saying I inserted at the very beginning some clips from yesterday. I really just had a very chill Sunday. Again, there was a lot going on, so I'm sorry, my contacts are so dry from crying today. Like my eyes just burn. I'm gonna have to take them out. But yeah, yesterday I just spent a little bit of time reading, doing some digital resetting, backing up my computer, taking pictures off my phone and deleting apps and things that I wasn't using anymore. Just kind of to clean some of that stuff up for a fresh year. Other than that, I really did not do much yesterday, which is why I really didn't vlog. It was kind of pointless with everything that I was dealing with. Still dealing with today. But if you think about it, if you're a prayer person, yeah, just pray for my family. I know everything will be okay. God's got it all and it will be fine. It's just scary and sad and stressful, and it's hard when you don't know. It's scary to me that I can't do anything to help and I'm so far away. So anyway, I'm not gonna stop babbling here. I'll probably film a little bit of dinner, but honestly, there's really not much happening today. So it's probably gonna be a very slim little vlog. It's just a bad day to vlog. I've got rice going. I shattered a bowl. I shredded up the chicken earlier. Woo. And then added it back to the gravy. So that's ready. And then I just opened a can of carrots, which I'll microwave as soon as that's ready to be eaten. Here's what dinner looks like. You guys, I'm really sorry. My brain is just not here today. So I think I'm just gonna end this here. Hopefully things turn around and start to improve some more, and then I will try to film another vlog a different weekend. As always, I do hope everyone else has a blessed day.